Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam da kasngi. Hagasin shong dorbar sundrai ka ba ar ga ying dorbar kala long ka ba khrit bhan amar u Dr. Zelestein Lingdo MLA ka Congress na umsning Dr. Zelestein Lingdo ulawan ra ya ka kenta jinkali ka ba sngukhya ya ka Patharkhmah Civil Sub Division bar ka jingtei jingker ka building hagdei ka jaka. Kabaderu ka constituency jong ba esotun MLA NPP badon hakaliang persya. U Dr. Bom upen pau ka jing sngokhya halor ka jing pinslem ya ka jing ker ba ka jing te ya ka building jong ka Patharkhmah Civil Sub Division. Hadin khatsan snem balala ompat don weru upaya bala penyang da ka sarkar jilla. U Dr. Zelestein ulo ong ba ya ka jaka la ait snobha ka sarkar ha ka por ba ka Patharkhmah kadang day tang ka administrative unit Henry Wat hadin khatsan snem. Shushu Dr. Sealing do uyo jingtip nagipait ba ki officer kila let kam tang arsin ha ka shite yo na margata ukerpan ya ka sarkar ban pentikna ha ka ban teino khamkloi ya ki jingker bari ka building na ka ban ka civil subdivision pinsngo u Dr. Bam.
Speaker sir, at the outset I would like to say and express my gratitude to the minister for this reply, and I would like to place my gratitude on record to the Chief Minister of the state in the last term and the current term for declaring Patharkhmah as a civil subdivision. This place has been left unattended for quite a number of years. In the reply at B, whether fencing has been done or any boundary pillars erected on a said land, the answer is no. Mr. Speaker, sir, through you I would like to inform this House that the land has been donated to the government when Patharkhmah was just an administrative unit. So this period has crossed more than about 15 years. I'm surprised that after 15 years, there's not even one boundary pillar. There is land encroachment by people staying surrounding that land. So the land which has been donated to the government is reducing on a day-to-day basis. I would like to ask the minister, the honorable minister, when can we expect, at least if not a complete fencing, at least take care of the boundaries, erect some pillars. We are all concerned. We have got the civil subdivision in Patharkhmah. It means a lot to me because I was born there. I want to see the civil subdivision of Patharkhmah to be alive, thriving, so that the people can enjoy the benefit of a civil subdivision. Right now, according to informations that I get, officers are going there twice a week. When it was an administrative unit, they go once a week. So what is the advantage for the people? We want a full advantage, we want proper fencing, and we want a proper civil subdivision building at the earliest. So my question is, when will the fencing be done? That is number one. Number two is, when will the minister allot funds for construction of the proper civil subdivision office building?
Speaker, sir. Sir, for Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision, when it was administrative unit, about 11.6864 acre of land was donated with a deed gift. However, sir, we have understand and the point noted the concern of the honorable members. But, sir, however, I would like to inform the House that the civil subdivision of Patharkhmah is being temporarily functioning from the office of the SDO PHA Patharkhmah, and the process for the proposal for permanent building and the fencing has been processed. initiated from the department side, sir.